Before starting this video, let me ask you important question. Do you feel nervous when you speak English? Your mind goes blank, your heart beats fast, and suddenly you forget everything. If it's happening to you, don't worry. I will show you how to speak English confidently without fear. By the way, I'm Abhay and today I'm going to show you how to reduce your nervous and how to speak English confidently without fear, without hesitation, without shy. It's true that English is a global language and a lot of people they want to speak English fluently. A lot of people they are facing different problems. Many learners they thinks I know English but I can't speak English. That's the huge number about English learners. Many people are facing same problem. Even when I was learning English, I was also feeling same problem. A lot of learners they are trying to speak English, but they can't speak. There is many reasons. Somebody has problem about pronunciation, someone still feels shy, some still feel nervous. So a lot of learners they are facing different problems. So I'm going to talk about the nervous here because the main problem is nervousness. It's not about you don't know English, you know English, but the problem is why you are nervous. You are learning since a long time, so today we'll fix that step by step. So let's see how to improve your confidence easily and step by step. Why you feel nervous? You feel nervous because of three main reasons. Number one, fear of making mistakes. Number two, fear of judgment. Number three, lack of practice. But the truth is different. Truth is, mistakes are part of learning. So you can't avoid mistakes. Mistakes and learning will come together. If you speak now, definitely you will make mistakes because you are learning English. So if you speak now, then you can make mistakes. Definitely you will make mistakes. You can fix them, but don't fix immediately. You can fix later. After speaking, you can realize how you spoke wrong. What did you spoke wrong? You can realize, you can note it in your diary and you can fix them. So in this video I'm going to show you how to stop your nervousness with 5 simple reasons. Number 1, accept mistakes. If you are trying to speak English, definitely you will make mistakes. So you accept your mistakes you did, grammatically, pronunciation, vocabulary, anything, listening. If you make mistakes, then you accept them because you make mistakes and you absorb them. But you make mistake, you can note it, note down, and then you can fix them. If you think you are only one person who make mistakes, you are wrong. In the world, a lot of people, even native speakers, they make mistakes. Can you imagine when they started to learn English, they are perfect in the beginning? No, nobody is perfect in the beginning. If you are beginner, then you have to make mistakes, you have to learn, you have to try, you have to fix them. But when step by step, you don't try to fix earlier. You can fix later, but you have to make mistakes. You have to speak first. Even native speakers they make mistakes. So why you are thinking so much? You are learning English, so you are trying. You just try to speak, and if you make mistakes, then you can fix them. But later, if you try to fix them earlier, then you will spend a lot of time to fix them earlier. You try to increase your fluency. Let me show you with an example. He go to school yesterday. So you see the sentence very clear. but there is something wrong. Can you notice that? If you fix now, then you will spend time now. But you try to speak first, you can fix later after finish conversation. So in this sentence, what you have to change? You have to change verb form easily. You have to catch them, but you fix them later. Don't try to fix now. You try to focus on speaking. That's it. People ask me how to improve my English, how to improve my pronunciation, how to improve my listening skills. Definitely, practice is most important factor. If you really want to speak English fluently like a native speakers, then you have to practice step by step. Don't try to be perfect in the beginning. You have to focus on your fluency first. You increase your speed in learning. If you try to become perfect in the beginning, you will take a lot of time. So speak first and improve later, fix later. Start small. If you are trying to speak with someone, then don't try to make long sentences. Try to make simple and short, because you are learning English and you are a beginner. So don't try to make long sentences. If you try to make a long sentences, then you will stuck. You will easily make more mistakes. You have to make mistakes, but not too much. Try to be careful in the beginning, in the starting. For example, I like tea. I am learning English. I feel nervous sometimes. Like that. Just try to use simple present sentence. You can make present continuous sentence. Just try to make simple. You can use present simple. You can use past simple. If you try to make simple sentence, you will feel more confident. You can easily speak words. You can easily speak your sentence with confidence. If you make long sentence, you will feel some problems. You will choose grammar and you will make mistakes in pronouncing words. So in this process, you will spend much time to make a sentence in your mind. So if you really want to speak a sentence, then try to choose small and simple. You will see you are being confident. You will feel more confident like a native speakers. If you choose like that simple and small sentence, you will boost your confidence easily. Practice daily. If you know English and you don't have enough confidence and you are not practicing daily, you are not practicing regularly, how you will speak English? So if you really want to speak English, you can try to practice daily. Even I was practicing daily in my classes. Even I was, when I go to outside, then I try to talk with people in English. If you go outside, then you can practice your English easily with anyone. Don't think about you feel nervous. You think about, if I speak, they will feel nervous. So if they feel nervous, you can feel confident. So you try this trick. Practice daily. Confidence comes when you practice daily, when you practice regularly. So daily practice is most important. You practice daily, you talk to yourself, you describe your day. So like that, even you can speak in front of the mirror. So like that, you can speak regularly, you can practice regularly. Even if you go outside, then you can speak with anyone. If you are with your friends, your family members, you are in a party, if you go on a trip, then you can practice anywhere. Just try to, you need to enough coverage, enough confidence to speak English. You can try this idea. If you practice every day, you practice regularly, you will feel and you will make confidence, you will boost your confidence easily, naturally. Slow down, don't rush because you are a beginner. If you speak fast, when you speak fast, definitely you will feel nervous. So don't try to speak faster, just try to speak normal speed. You try to maintain your speaking speed. I'll suggest you are a beginner, so you don't need to speak too fast. You can speak normal, slowly, but clearly. You can speak slowly, normal speed, because you are a beginner. So if you speak too fast, you will feel nervous, you will make mistakes, a lot of mistakes. So if you speak slowly, then you can speak clearly, normal, and like naturally. So you try to speak naturally. If you speak clearly, whatever speed is slow, then you can understand, you can increase conversation between two people because you are speaking clearly. And that person, your language partner, that person, he or she can understand, they can understand you easily and clearly. So you can speak clearly and naturally if you speak like that. For example, my name is Abhay, and I live in Kerala, India, and I'm making video for English learners. Try to speak very clearly like this. Don't speak too fast. Don't beat us. Just try to maintain your speed, your intonation, your rhythm, your tone. If you really want to speak English fluently, then you can follow these ways. Easily, you can reduce your nervousness. Choose easy words. You don't need to choose difficult and complicated words. You should choose very simple and easy words when you try to answer about any question. If you speak simple English, then you can feel perfect. You can feel confident. If you choose difficult words, complicated, then you will feel nervous because those words can be difficult for you. So if you choose simple, then easy, it would be easier to understand for a lot of people, not for everyone, but a lot of people, they can understand easily. So in the beginning, you can try to speak English, but in simple way. I'm giving you an example here. I'm extremely exhausted. This is, I chosen good words, better words, perfect words. But if you are beginner and you want to choose a simple sentence because you are a beginner, so if you speak like that, definitely you will make more mistakes. So you can say like that sentence, just like, I'm very tired. That's okay. Your language partner can understand you what you are trying to express. That is the important in the beginning. In my previous videos, I mentioned about choosing words, why and why not. So you can watch them. If you choose easy words, you will save your time, you will reduce your nervousness, you will reduce your mistakes. You can make simple sentence but clear sentence, easy for everybody. And if you speak like that, you will feel more confident. Many people think confidence comes later, but that's not true. Confidence comes before, when you speak, because if you have courage, you have enough confidence to speak English, then you can boost, you can increase your confidence before. Remember one thing, confidence is not magic, it's a practice. if you practice daily, regularly, then you can increase your confidence. Confidence is not an object. Confidence is just a feeling. When you feel inside, you will feel confident inside when you speak easy, clear. If you are practicing this and you are speaking naturally, clearly, then you are boosting your confidence. You are increasing your confidence. So, if you practice daily, your fear will disappear automatically. You need to just speak daily, you need to practice daily. Everything will reduce automatically. You can reduce automatically your listening, your pronunciation issues, your vocabulary issues, finding vocabulary, choosing words. You can automatically reduce them. You need to just practice daily. If you practice regularly, definitely you will remove them, all negative things, and then you will feel confident naturally like a native speaker. So if your focus is native speakers, like that them you want to speak English, so you have to speak down to up. Don't try to become a perfect in English in the beginning. If you really want to speak English fluently, then try this way. So you can start today and speak today. Don't delay anymore. You are learning English and you have to become confident in English. So you try to speak without nervous and you try to speak with confidence. So let me know, do you still feel nervous? Comment below. And if this video is useful for your English journey and improving your English speaking naturally, then give a like. And if you are new here, subscribe to this channel for daily English tips, lessons, ideas, and tricks like this. So thank you. See you in the next video.